So when we look at our own operational footprint, as a global company, we're operating data centers around the world that are powering AI and all of our products. And we have a value chain that enables the hardware for those data centers as well as for our consumer hardware devices. So that footprint number that you're looking at is towards a very ambitious goal that we've set for ourselves for 2030, which is that we want to be net zero across that whole operations and value chain from a 2019 baseline. And as you can imagine, as a high growth business, our business looks quite different today than it did in 2019. So the way that we're getting after those reductions is predominantly around clean energy, both clean energy for Google, for our own operations, as well as supporting our value chain, our suppliers that are manufacturing semiconductors, hardware for data centers, hardware for cell phones and other devices to decarbonize their manufacturing processes. So that's the biggest lever for us. But then it's also low carbon building materials for data centers. It's the utilization of sustainable aviation fuels. And then after we do all of that work to reduce our footprint, we're also going to purchase carbon removals that will actually remove carbon from the atmosphere. So it's an ambitious goal. We have a lot of work left to do, but we also have a strategy. And we think that strategy is important not only for us to reduce our own footprint, but to be early adopters of things like geothermal power, advanced nuclear power, carbon removal solutions that will have the ability to scale and reduce emissions in a wider economy way.